Welcome to Awesome Learning. Let us start learning Hindi consonants. Pa work, pa family. How to write pa? Draw a standing line and bend it towards the right. Then draw a standing line. Finally, draw a sleeping line on the top. Now, let us learn some words starting with pa. Papita, papaya. Patta, leaf. Patthar, stone. Pahad, mountain. How to write pa? Draw a standing line and bend it towards the right. Then draw a standing line. Then draw a hook on the right side and finish it with a sleeping line on the top. Now, let us learn some words starting with pa. Phal, fruit. Phool, flower. Fasal, crop. Fawwara, fountain. How to write ba? Draw a small circle and a straight line next to it. Draw a diagonal line inside the circle and draw a sleeping line on the top. Now, let us learn some words starting with ba. Battak, duck. Bakra, goat. Bus, button. How to write bha? Draw a hook and bring it down, then make a loop. Then continue drawing to make a sleeping line. Draw a standing line connected to that and finally draw a small sleeping line on top of the standing line. Now, let us learn some words starting with bha. Bhalu, bear. Bhavan, bungalow. Bhindi, lady's finger. How to write ma? Draw a standing line, then make a loop and continue drawing to make a slipping line. Draw a standing line connected to that and finish it with a slipping line. Now, let us learn some words starting with ma. Matar, peas. Magar, crocodile. Mahal, palace. Machli, fish. Thank you for learning with us. Please like, share our videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications.